we've got time for some little bees. I'm just going to show some very simple beginners bees that you can do if you're just starting out, nice and easy. All I have used is a couple of stained glass petal shapes. These are just nice, easy ones. Right, so let's have a look at this one. All I've done is the body. So we've got a head. We're going to cut off that point. So I want to get 3 sort of stripes for down here. This one here, I'm going to put my colours on an angle and just get a little tiny scoop out of there. Perfect. And that's just going to sit in there nicely. Next one is the black. I'm going to chop the top one off. That can be down further for his bottom. Next one up. I want to kind of get it roughly the same width as what this one here is. So we're just going to take a little bit off. That should be about what we want, about there. Pretty good. Then we're going to go back to our yellow one. Not too bad, so just cut that off. I want to put this black piece back on here just so I can make sure that I get the right sort of width to match up with his bottom part. So I'm going to cut that about there. So that should fit in, hopefully fit in nicely. Yeah. And that's his base. And all I've done with these, I've just sort of rounded the corners. You don't have to, but it just kind of tidy them up a little bit. So angles on a cutter. I'm just taking off those little points, just softening them. Same with that one. And this one here, softening the bottom points off. And that there is our little flying bee. So now we're going to give him some wings, which is just another stained glass petal cut in half. So yeah, these are really simple. Same thing again, I'm just going to soften these points off. So make sure you're wearing safety glasses when you're doing this. Might have a slightly bigger one there. Tidying up, just doing a very quick tutorial today. Perfect. Oops. So that is your flying bee. And if you want to do this sort of one, just take away those two. Use up your scrap here, give them a couple of legs, and that's just a different style. So really skinny slithers. I'm just gonna need to try and find where they're all gonna fly to. So I just want some really, just tiny, I'm just cutting it on the angle there, just seeing what we're gonna get out of that lot. Cut that one a bit smaller. Can be one. I like these little ones, are perfect. I think they have their little ones at the front. And that just changes them to a flying bee. So yeah, I hope that just gives you some ideas. And as I said, they are just little beginners ones. So once you get a bit better, you can start trying some different ones. Always good searching for stained glass patterns too. They've got some nice bees. There you go. Oops. Thank you for watching.